Macron, donc je fais cette vidéo pour vous dire que nous vivons à l'heure du Verseau, l'ère du Verseau, l'ère de la vérité. Donc il n'y a plus question de bluffer le peuple africain. Hein? Ceux qui sont en Afrique, vous pouvez les bluffer. Pour ceux qui aimeraient être toujours dans l'ignorance et vivre dans l'idiotie. Mais nous qui vivons en Europe, nous qui connaissons beaucoup de choses, vous ne pouvez pas nous mentir, Monsieur le Président. Donc je veux vous montrer les voitures qui vont rentrer d'ici là dans le marché. Hein, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron. Même les transports, les trains, les métros, tout ça là, hein, c'est des anciens styles. Hein? Donc, excusez-moi, je vais vous faire voir les nouveaux styles que nous allons utiliser. À bientôt, à tout à l'heure.
Since the onset of the 20th century, when automobiles and airplanes were both invented almost simultaneously, talk of building a flying car began almost immediately. Though the concept seemed simple at the time, each attempt ended in failure. Still, the dream was unshakable. The 1960s featured a flying car in the movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, followed soon after by the futuristic Jetsons cartoon, where George Jetson flew his vehicle to work every day. The 70s and 80s gave us more with Star Wars, Back to the Future. Well, now they're finally here, and they're more awesome than anyone could ever imagine. Look, up in the sky. What is that? Is it a three-wheel motorcycle? No, it's a helicopter. No, wait, it's a flying car. Actually, it's all three. It's the sleek and stylish PAL V1, an amazing car and gyroplane hybrid from Dutch company PAL V. On the road, the two-passenger PAL V performs like a sports car, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just 8 seconds, leaning into turns like a well-engineered motorcycle, and it's an off-the-chart driving experience. Switching to airplane is surprisingly easy. With just a few simple steps to deploy the tail and rotors, you're ready to take to the air. The engineers at PAL V put safety first. In the unlikely event of an engine failure, the PAL V1's gyroplane technology and auto rotors allow it to be steered to a safe landing. Truly a door-to-door means of transportation. The PAL V1's design could be the best example of what's coming to a driveway near you.
These people, they're dying, they are good to...
While many drivers have longed for a flying car, many pilots have wished for a light aircraft they could drive on the road. Well, American company Terrafugia has come to the rescue with the Transition, a street-legal airplane made for pilots. The Transition is a two-seat, state-of-the-art vehicle with carbon fiber construction, glass avionics, and a host of innovative technologies. The mechanical wings fold or unfold automatically in just a few seconds, allowing it to fit easily into any garage or standard
Donc vous voyez, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron, c'est les voitures du futur qui vont rentrer dans le marché. D'ici là, donc regardez, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron, voiture après qui deviendra un hélico ou un avion.
Transition conveniently runs on premium unleaded gasoline, eliminating the expensive jet fuel and making an easy quick fill-up at your local gas station, and it's ready to go. Pricing isn't yet available, but with a deposit, Terrafugia will put you in line for your own Transition. All you have to do is learn how to fly. Places where there are no roads require a rugged off-road vehicle, but as Doc famously said in Back to the Future, we don't need roads. This is the Maverick LSA flying car from iTech and Florida-based company Beyond Roads. The Maverick LSA is an inexpensive but tough off-road vehicle with a motorized parachute wing. So when the terrain gets too tough for this off-road beast, well, it's not a problem. Just deploy the wing and start the propeller and sail right over it. If you can drive a car, you can fly the Maverick because its flight is controlled with a steering wheel. Even better, a pilot's license is not required. On the ground, the Maverick is a powerful, dirt-eating joyride. And in the air, its mellow side appears with a smooth, steady, yet maneuverable flight. The Maverick LSA runs about $94,000. With an increase in sales and production, Beyond Roads hopes to make them more affordable for almost anyone. So, any takers? It's been said you should always leave the best for last. And we did. This is the Aeromobile 3.0, arguably one of the most spectacular-looking flying cars to take to the air so far. The prototype was manufactured by Aeromobile SRO in Slovakia, and flight testing began in October of 2014. With its advanced engineering, spacecraft-like design, and futuristic interior avionics, the Aeromobile looks like a miniature space shuttle from secret government projects. Not only can the Aeromobile land at any airport in the world, but give it a few hundred meters of flat grass or paved surface, and you can land it there too. When its automatic wings retract, it becomes one of the most gorgeous street-legal cars on the planet. Powered by regular automotive gasoline, its powerful Rotex 912 engine propels the Aeromobile 3.0 to air speeds in excess of 125 miles an hour. And ground speeds of 100 miles an hour plus. Understandably, the production model will cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But there's no doubt in anyone's mind that flying cars are on the horizon and not too distant in the future. We'll be able to jump into our cars every morning and take to the skies, just like good old George Jetson.
Donc voilà, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron, les voitures du futur seront en même temps des hélicos et des avions. Voilà ce que je voulais vous faire voir, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron. Donc l'ère du Verseau est une ère de vérité et de victoire. Fini les histoires du pétrole, hein? Ça ne sera plus dans le monde où ce que nous vivons. Le pétrole n'aura plus de valeur parce que les gens sont en train d'être des créatifs, de créer, d'inventer de nouvelles inventions dans le monde où ce que nous sommes. Voilà, Monsieur le Président Emmanuel Macron, ce que j'avais envie de vous dire. Le tiers africain Georges Passy. À bientôt. Merci.